I am, to kick off Cozy Homes Photography's 6 new services in 6 weeks. If you missed our video last week, it was going over everything that we are already offering you guys before we lay on all this new. But today starts our day number 1 of our services. So here we go. You have probably heard it 1,000 times. I don't need to tell you again, but video marketing is absolute king of marketing. There's no better place to start than the single most thing that will elevate you and your marketing: video. We have always included a video slideshow with all of our photo packages. That right there is your entry ticket into marketing with video. So if you aren't currently using video in your marketing, start here. To find those, log into your Cozy Homes account and scroll to the bottom of your marketing kit. You'll see those teaser videos ready for you to download and use. These will give a quick attention grabber for people scrolling their social feeds, and when they do click on them, they push them over to get more information about that listing. However, to elevate your marketing, you want your photos, your property description, and video tours to all share something new with the reader to keep them engaged. We want to help you do that. Starting us off is our new video packages. You can tell a completely different story with video than you can with just pictures alone. Our basic video package is all wide angle shots, giving a really great idea of space. But our new storytelling video package, I named it appropriately. It tells a story, really envelops what Cozy Homes is all about. It evokes all the feels and emotion of people watching your buyers. This style of video shows those cozy, inviting details that welcome people in and make them want to stay. Better yet, our third video package we're rolling out today is our lifestyle package. These are videos that have real people in the video and highlighting those key selling features. This style of video is wonderful for homes and spaces with amenities, maybe Airbnbs, hotels, that the whole idea is to come in, relax, spend some time with family, and make memories. Don't just tell people what it could be like. Show them. So if you are ready to grab attention of buyers so your home is shown above the rest, jump on over to our booking page and let's get it scheduled. See you in there.